Hello, this is Max, a WordPress and Shopify developer. On this channel, I help people to solve their issues, so feel free to leave me your request. I got the message about this website from my subscriber where he struggled to edit this area follow button for Instagram. He messaged me by email. You can find it in the description, the email address, and he told that when he using Elementor and he sees this error like page not found, page not exist. I'm not sure what it says, but message is about right. And he wants to edit this button, the text and the link. So this is pretty popular issue, and in email the subscriber wrote that he spent few weeks to solve this simple issue. So if you struggle with something, don't hesitate, just write me and I will fix it for you for some donation. It's absolutely free. How to say it? Okay, so how to fix it? This is short tutorial. Such buttons are very tricky. As we can see in the top button, Elementor is not created, so this page is not available on this page. So this page is part of theme. And normally when it's part of theme, it should be in the theme settings. So just to explain, I spent about 1 hour to find this button. So it took me a lot of time. And let's see how it works in the theme settings. Okay, the customer using the subscriber using the theme, which is, let's check it. I'm not sure what is the theme name. The palette. Okay, and if we go to the theme settings and the customizer, we see that there are portfolio settings, but there's nothing saying about the button. Okay, so what to do? And answer was pretty simple, but of course it took pretty some time to find it, and it requires a lot of experience, which I have. Okay, so answer was pretty simple. It's widget, and not theme setting or some Elementor builder. So we need to go to the widgets right here in the design. We can see widgets, and under the widgets there should be settings for this part. So we can see okay, let's hide this block. We see 3 blocks, and here is the palette theme widget area. We click it and we see our button from Instagram. And by the way, should be some other settings, but no, only button. And we can change in this widget title, shortcut, button text, and button link, which exactly replicates this section. So title, but Instagram shortcut, button text, and button link. So let's go back to email I got, and correct button text should be this one. So let's just copy it and paste it in right area. Great. So button is right, and URL should be this one. So let's copy it and paste it in this area. Okay, we click save button. By the way, as you can see, the languages of your website doesn't matter for me. I work with all languages. I just know WordPress and Shopify. Okay, very well. So I even don't read what it says. And we update the page and hope it worked. Yeah, hope it worked. So let's check. The button text is right. And the link, let's click it. Let's click it again. And the link worked. So thank you for your message, my dear subscriber. I'm very happy you messaged me. And if you have struggled with your website and you spend some time, you shouldn't really spend it. You can just contact me by email or leave some comment under this video and we will communicate with you. And I will just solve your issues in a few minutes and create the video for you. So yeah, I believe that a business owner and website owner should focus on real things and real business, but not how to solve the technical issues. Additionally to the fix, I want to do the short website review. So to find if there are some technical issues or something doesn't work, which will be useful for my subscriber. Okay, so we can check that buttons work. I would remove this powered by, element, and Instagram works. So if we go to the portfolio should be good because it's part of theme. So yeah, looks really nice. Pop-up working, and share buttons should work. But this gap, I would remove it. Too much space here, so person cannot scroll below, and especially on the bigger screens like this gap and this gap, it's pretty big spaces, not obvious to scroll. Let's check the most important part, that contact. Okay, it looks good and works pretty good on smaller screen, on bigger screens. So yeah, it looks okay. And we have telephone, email, and location. Okay, it's good, but I would add here some separator to separate the content area from the footer. And let's check the links working. And if we go to this page, let's check, I think it's about me. So yeah, looks okay. What this button does, it's open in the form works. Okay, the form is working. How it works on the mobile, because these forms normally has issues on mobile. And if we open it, okay, it works good. The button is not aligned, but it's not a problem. So it can be aligned with custom code. The elements working a bit weird, but I think it should be okay on the mobile. So let's go to back to the desktop. Let's click the another page, which looks like this. Okay, this page should be okay on the bigger screens. We see lazy loading for images to speed up the page. The link works, Instagram here, and the button we just did works well. Let's see on bigger screen, it's okay. Let's see on the mobile if there are some issues. So let's make it bigger so you can see what I do. Okay, by the way, we have here, okay, it's all working on the mobile hamburger, and all elements looks aligned and everything looks good. Okay, and let's go to homepage, which is the most important page. Okay, the link works. Yeah, the link is working. So let's see. The banner looks very good, but I would add here some call to action button, which would lead to contact. And yeah, looks okay on the mobile like this, and desktop like this. Okay, again about me. Great. I would also add a lot of sections about me. Why not? My website. Okay, and as this website is to work with personal, so this website focuses to work with person, so it's important to tell about this person because people need to know the person who they work with, not only the portfolio. It should be comfortable to work with this person. Okay, additionally, I like reviews. It looks like reviews, right? Should be reviews, testimonials. Okay, works well, a bit slow, but well. Okay, this section I would remove spaces here and here. It's too much space for this section, and I would make this logos bigger because I think it's demo logo, or I'm not sure what is it. But if it's real logos, I would make them bigger. So let's see how it works on the mobile. Okay, on mobile we have Instagram like this, and with the logos, right, I would just make them bigger. Additionally, what I can recommend, separate footer from the main page again, because it's now not obvious where footer starts and ends. And I would add here, as I told, call to action, and as I told, the person work directly, how to say it, this business focuses to work on person, so person focuses his services, and from website would be good to show the person more, not only portfolio, because clients needs to be happy to work with person, something like that. Hope it makes some sense because I I did some math in boarding. Okay, text is good, but what I recommend to my own clients is create some video, and you are this subscriber is video maker and photo maker. So I would recommend to make some video like, "Hi, is it me you're looking for?" Hi, like, "Hi, it's me. I do this. This is my customers. They are happy with me, or we can do like this or that." So the clients can feel the personal touch on the website. So instead of poor text and poor images, it would be real you, where you for real would talk with customers. Hope it makes some sense. I just advise it to my own clients. You shouldn't do it if you don't want. Okay, pop-up works and the button looks weird. I would just put it somewhere here. And here it's also lonely word. It shouldn't be here. Now, how this paragraph should be on next line, or everything in one. I hope it made some sense for you. If not, just ignore it. But everything what I said was my personal opinion. It was just a short free website review. If you want, you can proceed with something. If you don't want, you can do not proceed with something. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.